I think I was really lucky to have like a roommate, and then we just like hung out. But I think to make friends, because I think at the start when everyone's like alone, like you really need to step out of your comfort zone and just like say hi, just smile. Like I made friends just by smiling at people in the corridor, and then we just said hi, and then we just started talking, and then we went out for lunch and just like So I think you really need to like be brave and just don't be afraid of rejection, because I don't think people will reject you.
No, that would be so good, So I think, it was really easy to make friends. Also, like, have roommates is really easy because when you just come back, you have like someone to talk. And also when you're going around, also in your classroom sometimes, you can just have a conversation, you start talking about your life, just get out of your comfort zone. It might be really difficult, but it's really easy. Like, it's not really like the environment is really like easy for just mix new friends, and it's not really like difficult.
Don't be scared to approach new people on the first day of class. I had a similar situation where I sat down in my Korean cinema class, and this girl came in sweating outside on the first day, and she just started talking to me. So I think interactions like that can be easily done. Just saying like hi, like where you're from, is a great way to make friends, as well as like meeting friends of friends as well. So that's another great way to make new friends and go out with groups of people wherever you want to go to.
How did we become friends? I guess group chats. And maybe at the start, like try to meet new people, and that people will like introduce to other people, and it happened kind of naturally. Don't be scared about like at the start.
Yeah, definitely. Like I would say at first it's definitely a little bit daunting to like make new friends, especially if you're all here alone, or like maybe you sign up this program by yourself. But just come with like an open heart, and and go with the flow. And eventually I think you really make some good friends here.
Exactly. Like don't force yourself on if you don't feel comfortable. Just like see what you like to do, and maybe like someone else will like to do the same things that you like to do, and you can do that together, and that's how it makes you like good friendship.
Me I have a favorite spot. It's the forest there.
Oh yeah.
Like you will know when you're here. It's just a really quiet, serene and peaceful forest area there. Every day I will walk through the forest to get to my Korean class, and it's just like I just get like a peace of mind, and so like just listen to the noise of nature.
Like if you live in the dorm, you will also have to cross every day the forest, because like classes usually are on campus, or even internship are like in the main campus at Sinchen. So you must go there as well. For me, I guess mine is there is like this little cafe. It's not even a cafe, it's just like where they sell coffee, and it's like at the start of the engineering department, and it's one of my favorite spots to get coffee or like just chill there in the little...
I think for me, I would go a lot to the school cafeteria. I think that was one of the places I would go to every day. The food at Yonsei is incredible. They have like multiple options. And so that was one of the places that I would recommend going to for sure.
Great. Thank you so much, Brandy.
You're welcome.
For me, I did one extracurricular activity offered by YISS, and it was the Gugak performance and the night tour at the temple. No, wait, sorry. It was... I got it wrong.
It's okay. Continue.
Yeah, okay. One extracurricular activities that I did was the one offered by Yonsei, and it was the Gugak performance and the night tour at the palace. The Gugak performance was amazing. I didn't expect like to be like this good. I was just like expecting to enjoy the music, but it was a very, very like wow experience for me. Also because of the atmosphere and everything that was there. For the internship instead, I mean, if you can do it, I would recommend it, both for the experience that you get for your curriculum, and also like because I felt like very welcomed by everyone like in the internship for me. Like I am the only one doing it, but don't be scared if you are, because I've been like welcomed by a great team, even if they're all like Korean and they didn't knew me and they're very like they're older than me, but they literally treated me like one of the family, and yeah, it has been a good experience.
For me, I'm interning with around 7 other friends who are also in YISS, and I would say it's definitely a really enriching experience because everyone is from everywhere in the world. Like there's Canada, there's Botswana, there's UK, there's US, it's just so many different places. So it was really, really interesting just to know them because I really loved chatting about their experiences growing up and like how different their lives are in their own countries. Yeah, it was just really, really, and like how to say,
Enriching?
intriguing to know new stuff
Yeah,
from different countries. Yeah.
well, for me, I actually live in a like not in a dorm, but it's like a shared room accommodation in London, so it wasn't that much of a difference for me. But I guess like the international house has a great location because it's very near campus and it's very cheap. I don't know for the like you know the standard here in Seoul. So if you want like a cheap accommodation, I would recommend. And don't be scared about like the shared room because a lot of people I know they were like a bit wary about like sharing. But it's great for like making new friends and like you know in the lounge you can just chill and like maybe meet new people and maybe like late, like the best part is like late at night if you have work to do or are talking with your friends like abroad, so different time zone, you just like see all this girl like you that just like chill and do their life, eat ramen, like make a shower, and like it's so like community and I like it.
For me, I'm staying somewhere in Hongdae. Initially, I also wanted to apply to one of the dormitories on campus, but I got rejected. But it's okay because I managed to find an accommodation on Airbnb with this girl who's my roommate. And yeah, everything turned out well. And I guess it's just another type of experience. I would say like maybe we have more privacy and also more space because
And she lives in Hongdae. It's an amazing location.
it's an amazing location, super close to the subway station. And yeah, I guess even though I'm missing out on the interaction with the friends kind of part, I still enjoy like my one-on-one time with my roommate and just like more private space,
Yeah,
I would
true.
say. Yeah. And the location.